You ready? Yo, what's up? This your boy Norris. Welcome back to Doing Shit. If you're new to this series, Doing Shit is a series of videos where I do shit around the house for my significant other, which is my wife. That should go right there. Because sometimes she be forgetting that I still know how to do shit. So today I'm going to be switching out these light fixtures right here. Yep, I'm upgraded to electricity. So I'm gonna take this one off and then I'm gonna replace it with this one. So I've already done that one successful and it came out great. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Let's get into it. All right, so first things first, safety. You want to make sure that you shut down. You don't have to shut down the whole house. If you're scary, you can, but I only shut down the kitchen light. So right here, it says kitchen lights, it's number 4. I turned it off and you wanna double check it. Don't just think it's off and start working. You wanna flip the lights a few times, all the lights, to make sure it's turned off, and I did. So now let's get started. So first thing I have to do is just take this one down. So it's just basically unscrewing the light fixture and undoing the wires. All right, we have that off. So like if you look closely, we have 3 wires. We have a black wire, we have a white wire, and then this right here is unwired, which is called the green wire, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna take your wire protectors and screw them off. As you can see, I'm doing it with one hand. Let me use both hands now. There we go. All right. So we just basically gonna find the wires that connects to the old fixture and we're going to undo it. Where is it? There we go. And then there's a green one here. Okay. Now I'm gonna place this safely and then we're going to start installing the new fixture. All right, so I got my light fixture here, and because my wife is super fancy, it has some type of rope hanging. So I have to measure and see how long it is so it can be the same length as the other one. Otherwise, I don't have to do that step. But anyway, very first thing I have to do is disassemble this one right here. So it has screws all the way around. So I'm just going to unscrew that. Keep them closed. Don't throw them away. Okay, now this is the plate. Now this is the very first thing I'm going to put up to replace, but I'm just gonna put it to the side for right now until I need it. And then now I'm gonna take my measuring tape. So that one is 29 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to measure that. So from the bottom here, I'm gonna put my measuring tape there, and then I'm going to straighten out the rope until I hit 29 3/4 of an inch. So right here, I'm marking it with a chalk pencil. Okay. So now that I got that, I'm gonna take my Allen wrench that comes with the fixture.
Buttons, be quiet.
Damn it.
Buttons, be quiet.
Not baby. So we're just gonna loosen this up with the Allen wrench. Until it's loose. And I'm just going to pull this up Okay, so once I see my marker right there, I'm gonna tighten it up right here. Okay, so before I do anything else, I wanna make sure I have an accurate length. So is that about the same, baby?
Hold on, let me get a better angle. Yeah, that looks about right.
That's good right there. All right, cool. Okay, now we can continue. So the pack came with 3 wire protectors, but I'm just gonna use the ones that was already up here. I can save this for something else. And I'm gonna take the plate and I'm gonna throw the wires in here. And now I'm going to connect these from the color. So I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna find the white wire and I'm basically gonna take the wires and loop them around together like this. And then now I take a wire protector and I push this in and I turn it to the right until it fastens. What the hell? Let me try a different one. What the hell? Hold on. Oh, there we go. Now it should tighten up and now they're secure. So now I'm gonna do the same thing for my black. And then this is my green wire too. So I'm gonna do the same thing with that as well. Okay, next step, I'm going ahead and take these wires and stuff them back in the electric box. There we go. And then I'm gonna take the screws that it came with and screw this into the box so it can hold up. All right, so now that I have the plate mount, well, I just made that up, I don't know what it's called, but this right here is already on. And now I'm going to take this wire, because it's extra wire, and I'm just going to try to fit it all into this. All right, now I got screws to screw into the side to hold this up. All right, so basically what I did, I put the plate on, I put in screws to hold it up, and I have it the length that we needed. So now you see this all secured. You don't see no goofy wires hanging. I got the screws in place, and look, I'm moving it. Well, I'm trying to move it, it's not moving, so that's secured. So now I have it at the length we needed, and now I'm gonna put the little glass vase looking thing over the light. All right, so I'm going to unscrew this. And then we're gonna insert this. Put this in there and then screw it back on. Usually this calls for 2 people, but you should be able to get by with just 1. There we go. Take this plastic off, and voila. Now I just need to insert the light bulb. Then I'm headed back to the garage to turn the power on. You ready? I might keep that in. Y'all ready? The moment of truth. Boom! There we go. So, pretty much, it's not that hard to do. Sometimes the instructions will give you a lot of good detail. So that's how I saw it the first time. All right, appreciate you watching Doing Shit. Fellas, sometimes you need to do stuff for your significant other to let them know that you still know how to do shit. Because sometimes, say it with me, they be forgetting. I'm your boy Norris. See you in the next one.